Have you ever found yourself tangled in a web of temporary variables while coding in R? It can be a real headache, right? If you're nodding along, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into variable scoping in R and exploring some cleaner ways to manage your temporary variables. I totally get it. Managing temporary variables can feel like trying to keep a messy room tidy. You think you've cleaned up, but there are always those pesky items left behind. You're not alone in this struggle. Many R users face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, are there better or more concise ways to handle variable scoping in R? They shared a common scenario where temporary variables clutter their workspace and they want a cleaner solution. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the deal with variable scoping in R? When you create temporary variables, they stick around longer than you might want. This can lead to clutter and confusion in your code. Understanding how scoping works will help you write cleaner, more efficient R scripts. And stick around. I have a fantastic tip at the end that will help you streamline your coding process and keep your workspace tidy. To achieve better variable scoping in R, the user can utilize the concept of local environments. This allows temporary variables to be created without cluttering the global environment. The user can define a local environment by wrapping their code in the local function. This way, any variables created will only exist within that scope. Another option for the user is to use the with function. This allows for cleaner code by evaluating an expression within a specified environment. Lastly, the user can consider using the per package, which provides functions like map that can help manage temporary variables more effectively. Fun fact, did you know that R was originally developed for statistical computing and graphics? It's come a long way since then, but managing variables can still be a challenge. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to define a function for your temporary variables. In this method, you create a function called addMe, where TMP1 and TMP2 are defined. When you call addMe, it returns the sum of these variables, but they remain inaccessible outside the function. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review your code for unnecessary temporary variables. This habit will keep your scripts clean and your mind clear. And there you have it. With these strategies, you can manage your temporary variables more effectively in R. Remember, a tidy workspace leads to clearer thinking. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your R scripts.